So in the start we have our picture here, which we are going to change the color of the shirt from blue to any color that you prefer. Yeah, so first we are going to make a selection of the shirt which we are more interested in. So I'm just going to zoom in so that we will have a very nice selection. Increase our selection, then just trace it over the shirts here to make a very perfect selection so that to continue with whatever it is that you have to do later. Just to reduce the selection so that you can get every details to make it look more realistic. Yes, it's better. So just fast forward. So now that we are done with our selection, we are just going to go ahead and change the color. So with this color change formation effect, we are going to make sure that the shadows and whatever details that between that is within the shirts is not lost. So we are going to maintain every detail, shadows, reflections, and highlights. Everything will be kept intact. Nothing will change. So with our selection, we just head out to these blending options. Then we choose the hue and saturation. Then here, this is where we are going to change our color. But first, we have to click on this adjustment layer so that to apply the effect to the shirt, not the entire photo. So once we have it, you see it has matched our selection. Then we are going to click on this slider and choose a color that we want to change our shirt to. So you can go left and right depending on the color that you prefer. Okay, let's see. Towards okay, I think I like this color. Probably reduce the saturation a bit. Okay, 30. Just try to make it more realistic because I've kind of seen shirts with such colors before. Okay, make a bit, let's see, no, it's too dark, a bit lighter since it's in the sun. Yeah, so +3, it's okay. So as you can see, we have successfully changed the original blue color of this guy's shirt to a yellowish or bluish color without damaging the shadows and the highlights or the details in the shirt. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel for more videos. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for your support and expect more.